Okay, now let me show you how to search for scholarly material in the form of research data from Figshare. So now please go to figshare.com and please key in your keyword here. So basically, if you go to Figshare, you're going to get various type of research output. But I bring you here in order to show you something different where you can simply get research data from this platform. As you know right now, researchers out there not only share their research output in the form of journal article, but right now they're also thinking about sharing their research data, the raw data that they have collected throughout their research work with other people so that other researchers may get benefit from it. So once you go in here and key in your keyword, you're going to get the result. By default, they're going to sort by relevancy. You may change according to your own interest, as you can see here. If you go to type, this is all the type of material that you can get from Figshare, as you can see here. I want to bring you to a very special kind of material, which is a data set. Actually, you can click more than one as long as it is relevant for you. For example, I'm looking for data as well as media and also figure. So you just take the item types that you need. Then this is the result according to your refine function. Then from here you may choose which material that you want to further explore. For example, I want to see this data set, so you may simply click on it and they're going to provide you with this is the overview of the data. Then they also provide you with the information about the data, what they are talking about. This one is where the output is published. So it is published in quite a good journal, PLOS ONE. But the raw data is here. So you can simply download them from Figshare. So if you find out that this is the data that you need for your research, you just click this download button. Then they're going to automatically download the data that you need. Then let me try to open it. So this is the raw data that I managed to get from the study just now. So basically, this is how you can use Figshare in order to get the research data that you need. Thank you.